Alright guys, you know your cooler's working when your egg is frozen. Yep, guess we ain't using that one.
I bet you'll come around, but don't get me wrong. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. I feel it in my bones like you'll come along now, baby.
Look at that.
British Columbia. We nearly missed the sign. And you have to brake check around here because we are going downhill. Spiral tunnels, but it's closed. On this whole trip, basically since we've got to, maybe northern Canada, our ears have done nothing but pop. Like, they're constantly popping. Every province we've gone to, all over in the province, it's just like popping. And it's like annoying. You probably can't see it, but like there's mine shafts coming out of that mountain. I would assume it's mine shafts because there's holes and then they got doors over them. Look at that waterfall. We're just, I don't know, about 15 minutes, 20 minutes on the other side of the welcome sign to British Columbia. We've rolled up to Finn Creek picnic area, and the water here is like a greenish kind of color. Like, it's really pretty and like
not
gorgeous.
Green like at home.
Yeah, not Ontario green, like Fantasyland green. Like, it's just so beautiful. So we'll show you the picnic area in a bit. Here are my friends.
We're gonna do a cold dip challenge. We're going in. There's a beach.
I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe the creek. No. While we enjoy this location, we are also going to have a brunch again. Yep, it'll be a brunch because it's 1:20 here. We are going to have pancakes and scrambled eggs and maybe toast.
It's a great place.
Alright guys, you know your cooler's working when your egg is frozen. Yep, guess we ain't using that one.
What happened? Frozen? This is why I'm enjoying every minute. Right off the highway, Trans-Canada, little rest stop, and this is what you get. Glacier water, glaciers there, mountains behind us. Because we can in a van, right there. Just got done eating some pancakes and eggs. I don't know how people can get old. I don't know how this can get old. Sorry, not people. Like how does this get old? Like, I know you live around here, but like I said earlier, there's lots to do, lots to see. And if you're an outdoorsy, you can never see it getting to where you don't want to be around it. Like, I don't even, like, there's nothing comparable. Nothing comparable in life. Like, the heart pumping the whole time I've been on the road. Every time I turn a corner is something new. It's just amazing. Amazing. Love every minute of it.
Good girl.
Want to come see Dad? Come on. Come on. Good girl. Yeah.
This water's cold.
I believe it.